Welcome again to my channel, Sacred Greenery. Oh, gardening is such a delightful, fulfilling hobby and profession, and it's both for me. I'm in Spain at the moment visiting my sister and her family here, and we always find an interesting project to get stuck into. And you know, to save time, money and effort, every garden project should have a purpose and a theme. So this is what we're going to get into this time while I'm in Spain. A spot over there. As they are driving in, they want something more exciting and interesting down there. But there are a couple of important factors we have to consider. Number one, the soil conditions. Number two, the heat in the summertime. And number three, bunny rabbits. There's a lot of them around. They have created other wonderful areas around the garden site, but it's all fenced off. And Mr. and Mrs. Bunny and family can't get in. Here it's not practical. So we've got to create an interesting, exciting garden that the bunnies will not destroy. This selection of plants, they're all aromatic plants. They all like dry, hot conditions, and the rabbits won't eat them. Going to the garden center, the effort, the investment for the plants. Don't undercut the next important stage. Have a look at this. This rosemary has been in the ground for about 5 days. Look at the little root systems coming out already. And the reason that they are excited to go out into their new adventure is this. I've put a lot of time and effort in preparing the soil. There's lots of humus in there, the grit is in there, the fertilizer in there, and of course the plant is happy and excited to move out into the new ground, a new adventure, and create a beautiful effect for all our effort. Along the edge of the driveway with the planting, we have placed a line of this very nice rosemary prostratus. It's a trailing rosemary, and it's going to work its way into the border and out and soften the edge of the driveway. The trailing rosemary, we've planted a line of the upright rosemary officinalis, and that will create in the future a semi-informal structural hedge line. And behind the rosemary officinalis we have 4 exciting plants. Whoop, there's a bumblebee. We have the trailing rosemary on a standard. You see that? Where is the standard? I have to come around here with the video. There. Helps to relate the scale and proportion of the higher background of the bamboo leading down into the garden, the edge of the driveway. And behind the standard rosemary we put in a group of grey foliage fillers, again aromatic plants, rabbits won't touch them, and we have Santolina, curry plant, and a local wild plant called white horehound, Maribium vulgare. So the choice of the plants for the conditions here in this garden is very important. They are all plants that tolerate drought conditions, so they have similar characteristics, so they will blend naturally well together. And of course the final point being, the rabbits won't eat them. And now all the plants have been settled into their new home, and the final stage is putting on, here I put on about 2 inches of mulch to keep the moisture in during the warmer conditions, the roots cool, and we shall watch the success of this beautiful project. So I emphasize one more time the importance of respecting the plants. They're living organisms, and if we don't prepare their new home conditions correctly, with attention, love, respect, and care, you will be disappointed with the result. If you enjoy the information in this video, please subscribe and like. I appreciate it. Bye.